buzz you in here. Let me buzz you in. Why don't you scoot back, alright? Oh, alright. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, over here, right?
What are you old hags doing here?
We're here to see Mikey. We heard he's the big 6-0 today. Oh, we got Mikey this ping pong paddle for the golf tournament this weekend. Could you give it to one of his colleagues? Oh, here's the paddle.
Let me get that for you. There you go.